Good afternoon, my name is Jordan Lambert, market analyst at Gelaton Management. We are in the 8th day of the US government shutdown, and the battle between the Republicans and the Democrats continues with no end in sight. Even if Congress does reach a deal on the budget and the debt ceiling, there may still be a downgrade for the US dollar and the US government, as credit rating agencies must be very close to taking action over this whole fiasco. Such a scenario of a downgrade should be good for gold, but as I've mentioned before, we have seen the threat of a US default and dollar downgrades in the past, which has actually led to dollar appreciation, so I would not rule out anything. However, the majority of investors are thinking that a US default is highly unlikely, but gold could receive demand attributed to the negative growth effects of the shutdown. Over the last 24 hours, gold has been very strong, currently trading in the 1320s as the uncertainty builds amid the speculation of the negative effects of a shutdown. How will the shutdown impact consumer spending, consumer confidence, and overall growth? So let's just take a look at the charts. The main piece of chart analysis at the moment to be aware of is how price is currently trading very close to the long-term bearish trend line. This bearish trend line began on the 28th of August, and we can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 clear touches, and we've almost got a fifth touch here. Now, as price intersects with this bearish trend line, the market could move either way. All I know is it would be an influential tool to use. If I zoom in, this trend line could remain strong, and it could be a useful tool for the bears to open a short. But I suppose we will find out around 2 p.m. when the European markets open. If the European markets open and provide enough volume to force through this bearish trend line, I do think 1350 could be an easily possible long target level. But however, just look for signs. If price is bouncing off this trend line, it may be a good opportunity to short. But around 2 p.m. we'll see which way the European markets with its volume will take this gold market. So but I'll be aware it looks strong, and I would be placing my bet on a trend line break rather than bounce at this moment in time, especially with the uncertainty building surrounding the US government shutdown. Right, so thank you very much for listening to me. I'll be with you again tomorrow. Take care. Thank you.